Now, the opposition party in Uttar Pradesh, the Congress party, has lashed out at the Yogi Adityanath government over this proposed population bill. The Congress has called it an election gimmick by Yogi Adityanath ahead of Uttar Pradesh elections. Congress also has said, why just Uttar Pradesh? Population control should be imposed in the entire country.
ये चुनाव नज़दीक क्योंकि आ रहा है उत्तर प्रदेश में, और उसमें जैसे तैसे करके ऐसा मुद्दा लाया जाए जिससे आप पोलराइजेशन करने, समाज को धर्म के आधार पर बांटने का काम करे। अगर पॉपुलेशन नीति पॉलिसी बननी है तो पूरे राष्ट्र के लिए बननी चाहिए, सबसे विचार विमर्श करके होना चाहिए, जो स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं सबसे वर्चा होना चाहिए।
Samarth Srivastava is reporting from Lucknow. He's spoken to some of the commission members as well, is now live with me. Samarth, what precisely is the opposition target at the Uttar Pradesh government? Because for what it appears right now is there are some extreme measures, but that's also considering at the population increase. I also have one more question, if you can compile all of that, and that is that this is not about families who will have children here on. This is with families who already have children. So they can be barred from government job or promotions if they already have 2 or more children. Would that be correct, Samarth?
Well, no. While speaking to us, A.N. Mitra clearly said that those who have the 2 or more children till this date, they will not be counted in this particular thing. As the bill hasn't been passed yet, it will take some time to get into an act, and it can be seen after 1 year. You can see this bill converting into an act, and that will be nearly I guess after 2022 Vidhan Sabha elections. So that is why opposition is coming down hard, that why at this particular time they are proposing such draft bills regarding the population. Yes, Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state, but opposition is saying, why only Uttar Pradesh? Why not entire India? This situation prevails in entire India. Like every state is dealing with the problem of population. So this is the thing. Be it Congress party has raised serious questions like, why you always want to be in headlines and taking such controversial steps to get the momentum, while some Maulanas also spoke to India Today and clearly said that this is just an election gimmick, and they are just trying to do the decisive politics at the time when Vidhan Sabha elections are hardly 6 months away from Uttar Pradesh. And while speaking to A.N. Mitra, he clearly said that the draft has been uploaded in the website of Commission and changes can be made. Till July 19, the changes can be made, and the advices from public are welcomed in the website. And that's why, as you hear, if you have read the entire document, it is clearly mentioned that polygamy has no relaxations in this particular thing, and once you go with the sterilization of vasectomy, only then the benefits regarding the so-called increments, the house tax, the relaxation is house tax, electricity bills, or giving of insurance in education, in medical facilities, all these things will be provided once the person will get into sterilization thing or vasectomy. Yes. So it won't be provided like in a way go, though it seems controversial, and that is why when we cross-checked it with A.N. Mittal, he said that yes, it's kind of controversial, and that's why we have given a leverage of around till July 19th that changes can be made if there will be something controversial or not liked by one community or somebody else. Yes.
All right, so some details that have come in. Remember, this is a draft. It's a proposed bill for now. Suggestions are being sought and some extreme measures. So does Uttar Pradesh deserve to go with some extreme measures to control population, or is it politics ahead of elections? Samarth, thank you so much for all the latest.